of population. I want an answer, but nobody answered.
Shortly after the all-party meeting on the roster system, the state BJP expressed its satisfaction over the roster system, which the government intends to introduce. Addressing a press conference here, BJP leader H.M. Shankliang, who himself is the chairman of an internal committee of the BJP on roster, said that the party is satisfied that the roster that is going to be introduced, as it will benefit youths and job seekers. During the all-party meeting, the political parties were given presentation and their doubts were cleared, and the BJP understood that this roster is not going to affect anyone.
We were satisfied that the roster system that is going to be introduced in the state is going to benefit the youths, is going to benefit the job seekers. Going in line with the other parties, we have all agreed that the roster system that the state government is going to implement is satisfactory, and whatever doubts that was in our minds and in the minds of the people of the state has been cleared today